Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Restarting of mines hits roadblock. Principal Secretary and Mines Secretary back to Delhi. Mines Director to go on a year-long leave. Crisis continue. Federation of Film Fraternity of Goa condemns ESG member Rajendra Talak. Talak had questioned credentials of Goan filmmakers. EFI directionless, no need of EFI in Goa. There is no democracy in BJP which leads to amendments like Tenancy Act. Vishnu Wag in head-on. "22 trucks were registered in inward of Sanjeevani Sugar Factory. Sugarcane never reached factory. Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar reveals, pointing at Deepak Davlikar. Mahadev Naik assures probe. And Hero Motorcorp brings ISL trophy to Goa. ISL has created right atmosphere for football development, says Brahmanand. Now the news in detail. Mines Director Prasanna Acharya is going on a year-long leave. Acharya has applied for a year-long leave to pursue further studies. Principal Secretary Parimal Rai has been already transferred to Delhi. Mines Secretary Pawan Kumar Sen is also shifting to Delhi from December. Advocate Atmaram Nadkarni too has quit the AG's post. Mines Department is left without any senior experienced officer, which is already under a new Mines Minister after Parikar's departure to Delhi. Resumptions of mining has again hit a roadblock.
Mining issue has been haunting Goa for the last 2.5 years. Now, problem might see another chapter within the department. Bureaucrats who were handling mining-related problems have been transferred to Delhi. Principal Secretary Parimal Rai, who is the member of expert committee, has been transferred to Delhi. Secondly, Mines Secretary Pawan Kumar Sen has also been transferred to Delhi from December. Advocate Atmaram Nadkarni has quit AG's post following change of CM. In addition, Director of Mines Prasanna Acharya too has applied for a year-long leave. Prasanna Acharya will be on a year-long leave from 1st December if it is sanctioned. Sources say Acharya will be on leave to pursue further studies. Meanwhile, Mines Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar is going through the notes and law book on mining to get the gist of present status of the mining issue. Sources inform that the new Mines Minister has asked for a detailed info on present status of mining issue in Goa. Department has handed over the notes and book of mining law to the Mines Minister Parsekar. Sources say the current bureaucracy is uncomfortable with Parikar moving to Delhi as many are shying away from taking tough decisions. The new CM will have to work hard to restore the faith of government machinery in the new leadership. Reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Federation of Film Fraternity of Goa has condemned ESG member and filmmaker Rajendra Talak. Talak had blamed Goan film producers for EFI inaugural invite goof-up, claiming they did not provide accurate and proper residential addresses and phone numbers to the ESG. Film Fraternity has rapped Talak for such a claim and has demanded an inquiry on the invite goof-up. Fraternity doubts that ESG deliberately bypassed film producers to accommodate people of their interest.
This year's IFFI probably has more chaos and goof-ups than the films. Confusion and chaos has begun with the IFFI inaugural ceremony. Most of the Goan film producers were not invited to inaugural of IFFI. ESG member Rajendra Talak blames the film producers. He said it in Prudent's debate.
म्हाका खूब दीस बरें दिसलें तुमी 25-30 लोक आसात म्हणून आज पेपरार वाचले गोंय मागीर ते 25-30 फिल्म मेकर खंय आसात तेच म्हाका जाय हांव सोदता तांकां कित्याक गेली कित्येक वर्सां 2 वर्सांतल्यान एक पिक्चर येता म्हजे मुखार 2 फिल्म प्रोड्युसरच्या हातान शर्मदान खुद्द इन्वायट दिल्यात देवार थंय ना ना आमी जाणा आशिल्ले आमकां आसा सगळ्यार तुवें केन्नाच्यान तुमीच येवं ना तुमकां धाडपा एड्रेस ना थोड्याले फोन केल्यार
एसडी कडेन गोंयच्या फिल्म मेकराचे एड्रेस ना
आसात पूण नवे एड्रेस जाले कशे मेळटले
Federation of Film Fraternity of Goa has condemned Talak's statement.
म्हाका अशें सांगपाचें आसा राजन तालकाक की आमी गोंयचे सगळे निर्माते फिल्म मेकर जे सगळे आसा ते एकी कडेन आसा आमकां इन्विटेशन धाडून आमकां वायट दिसूना पूण तो जेन्ना तो सांगता आमी युनायटेड ना म्हणून तें आमकां वायट दिसलें आनी हांव त्या बद्दल राजेंद्र तालकाचो निशेध करतां आमच्या फिल्म फेडरेशना तर्फे आमचे फोन नंबर तेच आसा आमची फॅमिली बीन तेच आसा आनी आमचे धंदेय बीन तेच आसा तो सांगता की आमचे फोन बदलले आसतले आनी आमी तांकां कशें कॉन्टेक्ट करतले तेन्ना ही सामकी चुकीची गजाल तेन्ना अशें उलयता आसतना तांणी वेवस्थीत चिंतून कितें आसा तें उलोवचें.
Vishal Pai Kakode doubts that some other people were accommodated on the film producers' invites during IFFI inaugural. Kakode demands an inquiry.
आणि गोयच्या सिने निर्मात्यांक गोयच्या आर्टिस्टांक इन्विटेशन दिवपाचें कर्तव्य इट इज देअर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवा आनी तांणी तें कर्तव्य ह्या इफीक पाळूंक ना. ही इन्विटेशनां कोणाक गेली थंय जे इतले लोक आशिल्ले ते कोण आशिल्ले हाजेर इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय आनी हाजेर एंटरटेनमेंट सोसायटी ऑफ गोवाच्या पदाधिकाऱ्यांनी खुलासो करपाची गरज आसा. आनी थंय जे 5,000 लोक तांणी क्लेम केल्यात की 5,000 लोक थंय आशिल्ले म्हणून हे लोक कोण आशिल्ले हाजेरूय एक इन्क्वायरी रिपोर्ट येवपाची नितांत गरज आसा आनी हांव अशी मागणी करतां.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
IFFI is drifting away from its purpose from the time it was brought in Goa. Goa has no benefits from IFFI. IFFI should be shifted from Goa. ESG former Vice Chairperson Vishnu Wag told Prudent in its weekly head-on. He further said BJP doesn't follow parliamentary process while taking crucial decisions. He claimed Tenancy Act controversy was the fallout of the unparliamentary process. When we asked Vishnu whether he was comfortable and contented in the BJP, he preferred to evade the question.
डिबेट अलाउच करनात
डिबेटूच जायना आनी बिल जर अशेंच पास जाता जाल्यार मागीर कितें करता.
हो दोष कोणाचो?
दोश यंत्रणेचो.
खंयच्या यंत्रणेचो? भाजपाच्या यंत्रणेचो काय सरकारी यंत्रणेचो?
पार्लमेंटरी यंत्रणा विदीन पक्ष
व्हीप तुमकां
विदीन पार्टी जी पळय पार्लमेंटरी यंत्रणा
विदीन पार्टी
म्हाका दिसता हाजेर खूब तांणी सांगूं जाय आशिल्लें दिवूं जाय आशिल्लें आमकांय वेळ थोडो की तुमी हाजेर अभ्यास करात.
वॉट आर यू सेइंग की हें जें जालें तेंय बी बिकॉज ऑफ द एब्सेंस ऑफ पार्लमेंटरी सिस्टम विदीन द पार्टी
अशें म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज ऑल बिल्स एंड एवरीथिंग शूड कम बिफोर एटलीस्ट दी MLA शूड नो
अभ्यास करपाक.
बरें कांय कन्सर्नूय आसता न्ही समजा कोणी विरोधी मताचोय आसूं शकता. म्हजें कॅटेगोरिकल स्टेटमेंट अशें की इफीची फक्त ह्या 10 वर्सांनी न्ही इफी जेन्नाच्यान स्टार्ट केला तेन्नाच्यान दिशा चुकल्या. पोरूं आमचो जो इन्फॉर्मेशन ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्टर आशिल्लो मनीश तिवारी ताणें पॉयंट ब्लँक तांकां क्वेश्चन विचारिल्लो यू आन्सर मी वाय यू आर डुईंग इफी इन 1 सेंटेन्स. तांकां तें उत्तर दिवप जमूं नाशिल्लें आनी अजुनूय बीन तांकां खबर ना DFFाक वाय दे आर डुईंग इफी.
इतलो दिशाहीन जावन फेस्टिवल चलता जाल्यार तो गोंयांत आसचो काय नासचो? गोंयांत ताजे खर्च करचो काय?
गोंयांत जर आसचो तर तो बरे तरेन जावचो
नाल्यार आसचो न्ही.
नाजाल्यार आसचो न्ही. कित्याक बारीक आमी पळयलां की हाजो तसो व्हडलो फायदो गोंयांक कांय जायना.
आर यू हॅपी इन द BJP?
In the BJP or not, that is a different question.
No, that is the question.
I am always happy.
That is the question.
I am always happy.
In the BJP?
See, I am a writer. When I may have any other feelings in some other field, my last recourse is writing. म्हणजे जें कितें आसा हांव कितें करतां कवितेंत बरयतां नाटकांत बरयतां कदाचित आतां एक कादंबरी येवपाची आहा तातूंत बरयतलो आत्मचरित्रांत बरयतलो अर्दें जालां तें ना अर्दें जालां.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar revealed that there was a scam of 22 sugar-laden trucks in Sanjeevani Sugar Factory. Trucks were mentioned on the inward register, but the sugarcane never reached the factory. Corporation Minister has assured that the probe into the scam. Parsekar sarcastically said that one should not gulp down sugarcane by the root just because it tastes sweet. Deepak Davlikar was at the helms of the affair when this scam took place. It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.